Welcome to Park Time, the ASMR healing edition, except we're healing your road rage. Listen closely to the gentle hiss of spray paint, the distant melody of a tow truck siren. Today, your ears and eyes get to enjoy some of the most satisfying payback moments aimed at careless parking. Put your headphones on, relax, and absolutely do not try this at home, unless you want your car starring in the next episode. He thought nobody noticed. Someone definitely did. If I were the owner, I'd just stand there holding a bucket in disbelief. He said there were no spots left. Nobody expected this solution. Is he parking or competing in an obstacle course? Got up there, now how exactly is he getting down? Park like this and you're definitely not sleeping tonight. Out of all the parking spots, he chose this one. From now on, anyone driving near a ditch is slowing down. Seeing that elephant standing there, you know the car didn't flip on its own. Watching this, I'm genuinely worried for that girl that was bold. One look at that lifting system and you know this isn't a joke. It's not just one car, it's the whole row. Is he parking or stress testing a concrete pillar? I'm watching this and still can't figure out why he chose that exact corner. Just parking, yet the entire street came to a halt. That car looks tiny, like a toy. Parked solo, but it took a whole team to deal with it. Insurance is definitely working overtime on this one. Parked solo, but it took a whole team to deal with it. I bet no one thought it would end up like this. That moment probably hurt the ego more than anything else.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh.
From now on, just park properly for peace of mind.
It was because why?
She thought it was her boyfriend's car.
Tomorrow morning, someone's calling every car owner one by one. I still can't believe that bar flew off like that. Made it home and still managed to hit something.
Back up, back up, back up.
One look at that angle and you know that wasn't light. Still holding a conversation while keeping balance? Impressive. Parked like that, now how are you getting down? Watching this, I can almost hear the metal scraping. Well, just one look at that rear end and you know it's serious. The owner probably looked at this and had no words left. Watching this, my heart sank right along with the car. Just driving normally, and suddenly it's repair time. Squeezed in, that tight, even breathing feels difficult. This isn't about lack of space, it's about lack of judgment. A whole massive platform and somehow still missed it. That boom sound must have been heart-stopping. That water drop hit like it was perfectly aimed. The moment the driver stepped out, everyone pulled out their phones. That water drop hit like it was perfectly aimed. Park like that and you're cleaning up before you leave. Someone probably stood there a while before realizing what happened. Big wheels on both sides, the one in the middle must be sweating. Clearing snow and probably didn't even see the car. After this, highway driving definitely requires extra caution. This one turned into a size competition. One look at that clamp and you know it's not going anywhere. That wheel looks like it's being sent to stand in the corner. That gap looks like it's only big enough for a cat.
哇，真係撞開佢。哇，啲牛脾氣。
To get out, you'd need to clear an entire construction site. It looks like someone turned on special effects for the car. I'm watching this and still have no idea what I just saw. Is that to prevent scratches or to prevent the owner? As you can see, this four-wheeled creature is trying to blend into the herd, but its camouflage skills are a little bulky. It's awkwardly attempting to mark its territory. In the wild or on the asphalt, it's not always the strongest that wins. It's the one who parks properly. How would you rate today's episode of Urban Wildlife? Drop your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to Park Time to discover more rare species roaming the streets.